Hi, I'll make this review today, and yeah, I looked through your game, and then I could see some problem here. First of all, um, when why attach? I know when you ask me for the review, I know that you doesn't mean for this one, but to explain you first, I think one would be better for now, because if like white play two, you can just extend. In the actual game, maybe you are not likely to get here, I can understand, but this one you need to give away the territories in the corner, so I'll say it's better to just connect, but it's very small difference. And also, now that we know the white stones here on the right side is isolated kinda, so I might play here. I could think of like this, because this shape we disconnects the white shapes, certainly. So I think you can play this way, or either maybe this one as well, because anyway you disconnect it. To be honest, this one is fair enough, so you can play. And when white played here, I think this was the timing. There's no reason you should play elsewhere. You can just disconnect and you play elsewhere, which means wasn't bad. This was weird move by white, and I would have hane here. Anyway, let's look through more. So I saw from here the problems basically from here. So first of all, I would say just jump out and jump, and you can make your hangma more natural, or like jump again. It's easy. This one, I don't mean this is bad, but this attachment is bad, I can say, because let's see how to explain. So you start attack, you keep attack. So when you do attack, except for the situation that you disconnect something, you can destroy something, or if there's certain thing that you can make some big effort, then you can do attachment. Other than that, attachment in the attacking is always bad. So this is the one of the best example that I can tell you. Um, the result was like this, which means white get a lot of points here. So when you attach here, if your result is bad after this connection, so I know that when you attach, you didn't expect this to happen. So if you're not sure and you're doing attack, then don't attach in the general circumstances. If you sure that you can make big efforts with attachment, then attach. So this is first tip for the hangma. And this one I can't understand to be honest, because this is obvious by white. So it was better to just play here, obviously, because you make a B exchange now, which is no good. And white played here, and white moves here right away. So basically this one as well. When you hangma, I think now we need to focus on what's important. Basically, I would have say you have weakness here, but we know that B is centered, so not that big deal for now. So just attach, and then you can look through the game more longer. To be honest, when white comes to 2, the game is got difficult and more difficult. but that's just the circumstances from here, the mistake from here, so we need to deal with it. And yeah, so basically this one would be my recommendation. You didn't obviously didn't need to connect here because this has no value. As I said, you could connect here. And let's see the actual game. Yeah, so white comes first. Now that you have two places to save here and there, which is a very difficult situation for you. And this one, yeah, very, I mean, you can tell that obviously you don't want to play here when there's a lot of big places in all over the board, and white gets points from here and there, like a bit. Of course, A is sent as well for white, which is good for white. And white play easily here, just making solid territories and wait for it. I think white was playing well in this area because white could have go more severe, like more harsh, but white was doing some just secure its territories on the upper side, which means very gentle. And this is one of the good strategy for white, because if white make a fight, that will make the game difficult. So this is one of the way to solve the game. And after that, I have looked through it, but there's no point. I mean, not the big points. I wanna bring it up. So basically, when whites play here, I think black died, but the problem was even before that. So what I want to tell you about this game, as I said here, if you're not sure about the attack, don't attach. That's the first recommendation. And I think you were I don't know how to say in English, like embarrassed, like maybe you didn't know where to play because you make this mistake, so you played here, I guess. So these two mistakes was quite big mistakes, so the game suddenly goes to white. But yeah, so after that, this will be the last mistake. You should have just attached, and when white attack, like you need to try to make some change here. So I think that will be the last chance for you. So once you played here and then when white comes here, the game was almost finished. Yeah, so this is everything for this game. And then if you have any question for this game, you can always ask me on the Discord, and then I'll answer you as quick as possible. So yeah, I'll talk to you later. Just let me know on the Discord. Bye.